Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be giving you the recipe of Mücver, Turkish zucchini fritters. It's a really delicious snack. The recipe is really simple. First, you grate the zucchini, a bunch of parsley and a bunch of dill. Finally chop them. If you want, you can also use onions, carrots and potatoes. You break 4 eggs, half a glass of flour, black pepper, cayenne pepper and salt. And I add baking soda by myself. After mixing it all well, I put in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. You can pour the oil into the pan while Mücver waits in the refrigerator. When it's ready, you start frying with the help of a spoon. I use garlic that I've peeled beforehand and left in olive oil. I crush 1 piece of garlic and put it in yogurt. After preparing your garlic yogurt, you can enjoy your fried mücver. Bon appetit! I hope you like my recipe.